Hello students, this is Professor Shahare. In this video, I am going to explain second method for finding solution of first order first degree differential equation, that is reducible to variable separable form. Let us see the differential equation of the form dy by dx equals to function of y by x, or dy by dx equals to function of x by y, or function of x into y, or function of ax plus by plus c, or function of f of x square plus y square, or maybe function of some another form. So such a differential equations are known as reducible to variable separable form. So using substitution, we reduce it into variable separable form. So let us see, if differential equation of this first form, say f of y by x, in such a form we replace this y by x by some new variable, say u. Similarly, for this second type we replace x upon y by u. That of for this third one we replace x into y by u, and that of this in this fourth type we replace this ax plus by plus c is equals to u, and that of the in this last type x square plus y square is equals to u. Okay, so according to particular differential equation we use suitable substitution. After that, using suitable substitution, in next step we differentiate with respect to x so that we get value of dy by dx. Then substitute this value in given differential equation so that it is easily reduced into variable separable form. And in previous video I already explained how to solve differential equation using method of variable separable form. Okay, so let us see the first example. Say solve dy by dx equals to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. So if you observe, this differential equation is of the form dy by dx equal to some function of 4x plus y plus 1, right? So in this type we replace this term 4x plus y plus 1 by new variable, say u. After that we differentiate with respect to x so that we get 4 plus derivative of y is dy by dx plus derivative of 1 is 0 equals to derivative of u is du by dx, right? And hence here we get 4 plus dy by dx equals to du by dx. Okay, and from this dy by dx becomes du by dx minus 4. Just we shift this 4. Now we substitute this value in our given differential equation. Also we replace this 4x plus y plus 1 by u so that this given differential equation reduces to, now see, this dy by dx, instead of this dy by dx we write du by dx minus 4. Okay, equals to, there is square of 4x plus y plus 1, and but 4x plus y plus 1 is replaced by u, right? And hence this equation becomes this form. It reduces to this form. Okay, now if you observe, this is differential equation in u and x. Now we try to separate off u and du and terms of x and dx. Okay, so we shift this minus 4, so we get u square plus 4. Then we shift this complete term u square plus 4 towards left side, so we get du by u square plus 4, that is 2 square, equals to dx. Now if you observe, here variables get separated, right? So this is variable separable form. So on integrating we get its solution. So integration of this term is 1 by 2 tan inverse u by 2 equal to x plus c, and finally we replace this u by 4x plus y plus 1. Okay, so that we get required solution. Now I take second example. Solve y e to the power xy minus cos x dx plus x e to the power xy dy equals to 0. If you observe, there are two exponential terms having power x into y. It is not possible to separate x and y from this term, right? That's why we replace this x into y by some new variable, say u. Let us see. So this is, first of all we write given differential equation, we denote it by 1. Then we take e raised to power xy common from these two terms. Okay, so we get e raised to xy into, in first term simply remain y dx, plus in second term simply remain x dy, minus cos x dx equals to 0. Right. Now we use substitution. So we put xy equals to u. Now differentiate with respect to x. So we get x dx plus y equals to du by dx. Now we use cross multiplication. Here we do the cross multiplication, and due to this we get x dy plus y dx upon dx equals to du by dx. Now this dx get cancelled, and we get value of y dx plus x dy is equals to du. If you observe equation 2, here is the y dx plus x dy. So we replace this bracket by du. Okay. Now from equation 2 we get, so observe this equation number 2, it reduces to e raised to power. Now we replace this x into y by u. Then this bracket is replaced by du equals to, right side remain as it is, that is cos x dx. Now if you observe, it is variable separable form. So simply on integrating we get its solution. So integration of e to the power u du equals to integration of cos x dx. Integration of e raised to u is e raised to u equals to integration of cos x is sin x, plus we have to add constant of integration c, and finally we substitute value of u, that is xy. So this is required solution. Okay. So in this easy way we solve the differential equation, and we easily reduce given differential equation into variable separable form. Now let us see the next example. Again, in next example, if you observe, there is the term sec of x into y. Is it possible to separate xy from this angle? No, it is not possible. That's why here we use substitution, xy equals to u. Before that, from these two terms we take x cube common. So we get x dy by dx plus y equals to minus of sec xy. Now we use substitution. So put xy equals to u. Now differentiate with respect to x by usual process. Okay. So derivative of xy, we use product rule for derivative. So we get x dy by dx plus y equals to du by dx. Now if you observe, this x dy by dx plus y is nothing but this bracket. So we replace this bracket by du by dx, and hence this equation 1 reduces to x cube into du by dx equals to minus sec of u. Now we separate variables. So we get du upon sec u, but we know 1 upon sec u is cos u. So in next step we replace this 1 upon sec u by cos u. Okay, equals to minus dx upon x cube. So variables are separated. So on integrating we get its solution. Okay. So integration of cos u du equals to minus of this 1 upon x cube can be written as x to the power minus 3 dx, and integration of cos u is sin u equals to this minus sign as it is, and while taking integration we add 1 in power, so we get x to the power minus 3 plus 1, that is x to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay. So sin of, now we replace this u by, what is value of u? Our u is equals to xy. So we get sin of xy equals to, this negative becomes positive, and we shift this x to the power minus 2 towards denominator. So we get 1 upon 2x square plus constant of integration c. So in this easy way we solve differential equation which are reducible to variable separable form. Now let us take last example. So last example is solve x plus y whole square dy by dx equals to a square. If you observe, this differential equation involves some function of x plus y. That's why here we replace this x plus y by u. Now differentiate with respect to x. So we get 1 plus dy by dx equals to du by dx. Now from this we find value of dy by dx. So it is du by dx minus 1. Now we substitute this value of dy by dx in our equation number 1, and hence equation 1 gives us, now let us see, this, there is x plus y square, so it is nothing but u square, right, u square, into dy by dx. So this is dy by dx, okay, equals to a square as it is. Okay, now we simplify this equation, and hence we get, so first of all we multiply this bracket by u square. So u square into du by dx minus u square equals to a square. Now we shift this minus u square towards right side. So we get a square plus u square. Now we collect terms of u and du together and terms of x and dx together. So here is the du. So we have to shift all terms of u towards du. Okay, so we shift this a square plus u square towards left side, and we shift this dx towards right side, and hence this equation can be written as u square upon a square plus u square du equals to dx. Now on integrating, so we take simply integration, but while taking integration here we make some adjustment because degree of numerator and denominator are same. Actually both are same, degrees are same. Okay, so here we add a square and subtract a square. Okay, now we separate the denominator. So this u square plus a square upon u square plus a square gives us 1, minus second term becomes a square upon u square plus a square. Okay, du equals to integration of dx. Now integration of 1 du is u, minus this a square is constant, we keep it as it is, and we know integration of 1 upon u square plus a square du is 1 by a tan inverse of u upon a, right? And hence here we take the integration, sorry, here it is, yes, it is 1 by a tan inverse of u upon a equals to integration of dx is x plus we have to add constant of integration c. Now we substitute value of u, that is x plus y, minus here a get cancelled, so 1 a remain, so a tan inverse of, we replace u by, so here u is replaced by x plus y, so x plus y upon a equals to x plus c. Now this x from right side and x from left side get cancelled, and hence required solution is y minus a into tan inverse of x plus y by a equals to c. Okay, so in this way, using substitution, we solve differential, we easily reduce differential equations into variable separable form. So here I give few examples for homework. So let us see first one, x plus y plus 1 whole square dy by dx equals to 1. This is similar to our first question, right? So in this example, this is function of x plus y plus 1, that's why here we replace this term by u. So here is the substitution, and then differentiate with respect to x, substitute value of dy by dx in this equation, and then separate terms of u and du, terms of x and dx, and apply the same process. Okay, similarly in second question there is function of x minus y, that's why put x minus y equals to u, and that of in third question, if you observe the exponential term, there is the power x upon y, right? So put x upon y equals to u. So in this way, using some suitable substitution, reduce the differential equations into variable separable form, and just by taking integration we get its solution. So in next video I will explain next type, that is homogeneous differential equation. Thank you for watching my video, and if any query, write in comment box. Okay, thank you for watching my video.